In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your storage space on OneDrive. Managing your digital space effectively is crucial in today's world, where most of our work, personal memories, and crucial documents are stored online. OneDrive, a cloud storage service provided by Microsoft, offers a seamless way to save your files in the cloud. But how do you keep tabs on your storage capacity to ensure you don't run out of space when you need it the most? Let me guide you. First things first, open any web browser of your choice and navigate to the Microsoft official website. Once you're there, you'll notice there's plenty to explore, but what we're interested in is accessing our OneDrive storage. So, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will take you to the Sign In page, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Type it in carefully and proceed by clicking Next. The next step is entering your password. Remember, security is key, so make sure you're entering your password in a safe environment. After entering your password, proceed by clicking on Next once again. Following the successful entry of your login credentials, you might be asked if you want to stay signed in on that particular device. This could be handy if you're using a personal and secure device, but for shared or public devices, it's safer to click No. After successfully signing in, head back to the Microsoft homepage if you aren't automatically redirected. Look for the All Microsoft option, which should present you a drop-down menu or take you to a page where you can access all Microsoft services and products. From here, find and click on the OneDrive option. It should be fairly straightforward to locate, but if you find yourself struggling, use the search feature available on the site. Upon clicking on OneDrive, you're likely to see a Sign In option again, if the system doesn't automatically acknowledge your previous login. Click on Sign In and you should be seamlessly taken through since your credentials were recently inputted. Now this is where it gets interesting. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, you will see your main storage dashboard. This interface shows your recent files, shared documents, and importantly, your storage usage. To find out exactly how much storage you have left, look for a figure that might look something like 2.5 GB displayed somewhere on your dashboard. Note that the exact location of this information can vary based on changes to the website's interface or your screen size, but it's usually not hard to find. Clicking on this will bring up more detailed information about your storage. Here you will see how much total storage you have and how much you've used. This could be in the format of a graph or a simple numerical representation. It's a neat way to quickly look at your storage capacity, helping you to plan if you need to clear up space, or perhaps even purchase additional storage from Microsoft. And there you have it. That's how you can check your storage availability on OneDrive. A few things to keep in mind. Clearing your browser's cache or using incognito mode may require you to repeat the sign-in process each time you try to check your storage. Also, if you're close to your storage limit, consider deleting files you no longer need or moving some items to an alternate storage solution to free up space. Remember, maintaining a good handle on your digital storage is just as important as managing physical space in your home or office. Hopefully, this guide helps you stay on top of your OneDrive storage and make the most out of Microsoft's cloud service. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides.